Hi, I'm Justin Cole, the car guy, and today we're going to talk about my very own 2010 Stage 3 Roush Mustang. Have you ever dreamed of owning a one-of-a-kind custom car straight from the factory? Well, today I have an amazing car to share with you. This 2010 Stage 3 Roush Mustang is a documented factory one-off custom, which is an incredibly rare find. I was in the hunt for a Shelby GT500.
But when I stumbled upon the specs for the 2010 Stage 3 Roush Mustang, I was blown away. Not only are they more exclusive than the 2010 GT500s, but they also outperform them in many ways.
Horsepower, quarter-mile time, they perform better on a road course.
The only downside was that Stage 3s didn't come with the factory racing stripes that I love so much on the GT500s. After some persistence and a few phone calls,
They were able to get me a special build from the factory that included the racing stripes.
there were only 103 Stage 3s produced in 2010. And this is the only one that came from the factory with racing and hockey stick stripes. Now, let's talk about performance specs.
One of my favorite things about this car is that it is equipped with like the last good iteration of the 4.6 liter V8, which means it's a 3-valve motor, and with Roush's supercharger on top combined with the forged internals, it makes over 500 horsepower to the wheels, and for 2010 that was like awesome. And I believed when I was told that the 5.0 Coyote motor that came out afterwards might not be able to put out as much power as this motor, which we found out is not the case. However, I still like the way the 3-valve 4.6 sounds more than the Coyote 5.0.
This 2010 Stage 3 Roush Mustang is rated at 540 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque. But in reality, it puts out over 600 horsepower and over 500 at the rear wheels. The 540 rating on the dash plate is because Ford didn't want Roush to outshine the GT500's 540 rating at the Ford dealerships or anywhere else. It's fully loaded with Roush body components.
Obviously the Roush 20-inch chrome wheels with the 14-inch brakes, red Roush calipers. We've got body side, lower rocker molding, factory Roush exhaust, which obviously isn't just Roush tips. We've got the full Roush exhaust system from front to back. It's hard to beat these license plate frames, Accelerate Auto Group.
The upper billet grille streamlines the appearance while improving cooling and performance.
Inside, two-tone custom interior with the Jack Roush signed seats, the Roush 8-ball style shifter,
Supercharger boost gauge, and a console-mounted Stage 3 badge with the car's serial number engraved. This car is equipped with factory 20-inch Roush chrome wheels and Cooper RS3 tires, which were one of the few options available on this model. The tires were developed specifically for the Roush Stage 3, hence RS3. As was standard with all new 2010 Roush Mustangs, this car came with an anti-wheel hop kit installed during the assembly process. This car has never been taken to the racetrack, but let me tell you, the 2010 Stage 3 Roush Mustang beat or at least compete with some of the very best supercars on road course, racetracks, and drag strips, and with impeccable documentation, including a letter of authenticity from the Roush employee who authorized the production of this vehicle. This car is truly a collector's item.
No, you can't have my car, but make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos from Justin Cole, the car guy.